Hari Om. In life, a few people becoming a success in life, but most of the people, they are working hard, but they cannot become a successful person in the life. Why it is happening so? We are discussing this topic according to Bhagavad Gita. The power of determination is described in Bhagavad Gita chapter 2. The Bhagavad Gita says that Vyavasayatmika buddhi ekeha kuru nantana bahushakha hi anandascha buddhayo vyavasayinam. That means Vyavasayatmika buddhi, the determinated mind, those who is set their goal, and those who is determined to achieve that goal, that he will become a success in life. And bahushagahi anandasya, the other persons, those who is not determined in life, will never have a common goal, never have a single goal. He will go in different directions every day. So he will not become a successful person in life. We must have to set a goal in life. The goal should be according to our vasanas, our passion. You may have to find the passion within, and we may have to work for that passion. Those who is passionate to achieve that goal, definitely there is no doubt he or she will become a success in life. If we are looking into the history of the world, those who is determined and those who work hard for their goal, everyone became a success in life. So we should not keep our mind in different goals. Who cannot become a successful person? We may have to set our goal. Our mind should have to keep determined and one-pointed in that goal and work hard. Definitely God will be with us. There is no doubt. Bhagavad Gita says that Vyavasayatmika buddhi egeha kuru nandana bahushagahi anandascha buddhayo avyavasayinam. The single pointed mind will become a success. So we may have to set our goal today, and from today itself we may have to work hard for that single goal. There is no doubt you will become a success. Hari Om.